Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will be fine. May Allah bless you. And this beautiful is a friend, I hope you will like it. And this beautiful, so enjoy my uniques. And yes, I hope you will enjoy my uniques or interested collections. I hope you will enjoy my uniques already. And this beautiful is friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. And this beautiful is a friend, I hope you will like it, enjoy unique areas. I hope you will like it. All this very amazing and beautiful, so enjoy my unique areas. And this beautiful is a friends, enjoy my unique areas. So I hope you will enjoy. And this beautiful is a friends, I hope you will enjoy unique areas. And this beautiful is a friends, I hope you will like it. All very stunning and fashionable areas. So I hope you will enjoy unique, all very interested, it's beautifully and different unique areas. So I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. That's very beautifully. So friends, I hope you will like it. All very interested collections as beautiful. So friends, I hope you will enjoy Christmas dress areas. So Christmas dress collections, I hope you will enjoy unique, all very pretty and different unique areas. So keep watching. I hope you will like it. All very interested, that's beautiful. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. That's beautifully unique, amazing collections. So friends, interested, that's very pretty, stylish. Hope you will enjoy unique, all very interested. So friends, enjoy my unique areas. So different, amazing. So friends, I hope you will enjoy my unique areas. It's just very pretty and different collection. So friends, very stunning and different. I hope you will enjoy unique areas. So keep watching. This all very interested, beautifully. And it's beautiful. So friends, I hope you will enjoy. So friends, I hope you will enjoy unique areas, are very stunning and fabulous. It's just very pretty and different areas. So keep watching. It's amazing, stylish areas, are very beautifully, and hope you will like it. All very stunning and different. It's just very pretty. So keep watching. It's amazing collections, are different and stunning to stylish areas. And this very beautiful, stunning collections. So friends, I hope you will enjoy. Allah Hafiz and take care.